Every great juice begins not in a machine, but in the sun-soaked soil of a perfectly timed harvest.
Speed is essential to lock in the peak sugar levels and acidity of the fruit. Efficient field logistics ensure that the oranges spend as little time in the heat as possible. Volume and velocity define the first stage of the extraction journey. Raw power is required to move thousands of pounds of citrus across the uneven orchard terrain.
Quality control starts in the field, long before the fruit ever reaches the factory gates.
We measure the natural sweetness to ensure only the most flavor-dense fruit moves forward.
From the grove to the road, the oranges are now ready for their journey to the processing facility.
Security and stability prevent bruising during the high-speed transit.
The orchard phase is complete. The transformation into juice is about to begin.
Every pound of fruit is accounted for to calculate final yield efficiency.
Water transport is the gentlest way to move bulk fruit without causing damage.
Primary cleaning removes the grove's footprint from the production line.
Gravity and mechanics work together to feed the extraction lines.
Even with advanced tech, the human eye remains a vital first defense in quality.
Complete visibility is required for the automated sensors to follow. Only the flawless survivors of this process earn their place in the final blend.
Pure juice requires a perfectly sterile starting point.
Managing the flow of thousands of tons of fruit requires the precision of a master conductor.
To maintain continuous production, we store vast reserves of fruit in temperature-controlled environments.
Even in storage, the fruit is handled with extreme care to preserve the integrity of the peel.
Controlling the air around the fruit slows the natural ripening process, keeping every orange fresh for hours.
Beyond the fruit, the facility requires a complex network of energy and water to stay operational.
This bridge is the main artery of our facility, delivering a constant heartbeat of raw material. Internal logistics ensure that every department has the tools needed for the next shift. Precision measurement at this stage allows us to optimize the extraction yield. Every path the fruit takes is designed for speed and hygiene.
Not all transport involves fruit. The chemical and biological catalysts must also arrive on time.
Crossing this threshold marks the transition from raw harvest to industrial refinement. Stability is the key to automation. A steady feed prevents mechanical strain. Dividing the load allows us to process thousands of oranges every minute across multiple lines.
We continue to verify the fruit's condition at every transition point in the facility.
The skin must be intact. Any leak could compromise the purity of the entire batch.
Perfect timing between transport and processing is what defines a modern factory.
The journey from the orchard is over. The transformation into juice begins now. We are now at the heart of the facility, where the juice is finally freed.
This is where engineering meets agriculture on a massive, modern scale.
Precision inside the machine is matched only by the scale of the facility itself. Every shift begins with a transition from the outside world to a controlled environment. Personal protective equipment is the first line of defense for product purity. Security protocols ensure that only the highest standards of safety enter the production zone. This high-pressure seal ensures the factory remains a fortress of hygiene. We eliminate every potential contaminant before a single step is taken on the floor. Specialized gases are the invisible guardians of the juice's fresh squeezed taste.
Sustainability is built into the design. Nothing from the orange goes to waste.
Climate control is critical to maintaining the delicate chemistry of the citrus.
These silos represent the pulse of the factory, holding the harvest in a state of suspended freshness.
Constant monitoring of the infrastructure prevents even a second of downtime.
Every zone is connected by a network designed for maximum logistic speed.
We leave nothing to chance. Sanitization is verified by the system at every turn. Welcome to the heart of the operation, where the oranges meet the machines.
From this vantage point, the complexity of our Factory Systems Pro design is clear.
The first wash removes surface field dust, ensuring the fruit is pristine before it meets the brushes.
The preparation is complete. Now, the real work of cleaning and sorting begins. This mechanical agitation is key to removing any stubborn organic residue from the grove.
Every trace of detergent is neutralized with a high-volume freshwater rinse.
A specialized, biodegradable soap ensures that no bacteria or contaminants enter the extraction room.
Removing surface moisture is critical to preventing the dilution of the juice during the extraction phase. Size uniformity allows the extraction machines to be calibrated for maximum juice recovery.
By categorizing the harvest by size, we ensure every machine operates at peak efficiency.
Advanced AI algorithms analyze the surface of every orange in milliseconds, looking for defects.
We don't just look at the surface. We verify the internal health of the fruit before processing. Only the highest quality oranges make it past our automated gatekeepers. Alignment is everything. The fruit must be perfectly centered for a clean cut.
Technology is powerful, but the human eye provides the final seal of quality.
This buffer zone ensures a constant, pressurized flow to the heavy machinery ahead. Minor adjustments in friction ensure the line never jams, even at maximum speed. Ensuring the exterior of the orange is sterile protects the juice during the upcoming extraction.
Maintaining the perfect density of fruit on the belt is a delicate balancing act.
The preparation is over. We are now entering the core of the extraction process. This is the moment of truth, where the fruit meets the steel. Extraction is a matter of seconds. We separate the heart of the fruit from its protective shell. Nothing is wasted. The peel is redirected for essential oil recovery and animal feed.
Maximizing yield requires perfectly calibrated pressure that leaves the bitter peel oils behind.
This raw juice is the purest expression of the fruit, containing all the natural fiber and flavor.
Precision screening allows us to control the exact mouthfeel of the final product.
Orange oil is a precious byproduct, used later to restore the natural aroma lost during processing.
Heat is the enemy of flavor. We chill the juice immediately to lock in the just-picked taste. Removing oxygen is the secret to a long shelf life without using artificial preservatives.
Blending different harvests allows us to maintain a consistent flavor profile year-round.
We fine-tune the balance of sweetness and acidity to meet the factory system's Pro Gold standard. Every batch is a chemistry masterpiece, balanced for perfect refreshment.
These pumps are the heart of the facility, providing the pressure needed for the entire line.
Transporting the juice between stages requires constant vigilance and climate control.
Flash pasteurization kills bacteria while preserving the delicate vitamins and enzymes of the orange.
Safety is non-negotiable. The system is programmed to never allow unpasteurized juice forward.
This sterile environment is the final resting place for the juice before it meets the bottle. Final verification ensures that the transformation from fruit to juice is perfect. The core process is complete. The juice is now ready for the high-tech world of automation.
For many products, we transform fresh juice into a powerful concentrate to preserve its essence for global shipping.
Restoring the natural aromas is the key to making reconstituted juice taste exactly like the grove.
This transformation allows for precision control over the final flavor profile of every batch. We meticulously add back the exact amount of water removed during evaporation to reach the perfect balance.
Homogenization ensures that the first sip is just as flavorful and smooth as the last. Combining different extraction methods creates a complex, multi-layered flavor experience.
We enhance the natural benefits of the orange to ensure every bottle is packed with essential nutrients. This final refinement step ensures the juice has the brilliant, clear color consumers expect.
Bringing the temperature down instantly stabilizes the chemistry and locks in the fresh squeezed profile.
We customize the texture of the juice to meet the diverse preferences of our global market.
Every drop of Factory Systems Pro juice must be identical in composition and quality. Maintaining a sterile environment is the final hurdle before the juice enters the automation phase.
We stabilize the juice's structure to prevent it from settling and losing its vibrant appearance.
Removing foam is essential for accurate bottle filling and preventing oxygen entrapment.
This sophisticated routing system allows us to run multiple products simultaneously on the same floor. The transformation is complete. The orange grove has been successfully turned into liquid perfection.
We are now moving from the world of chemistry to the world of high-speed automation.
At this speed, automation isn't just a tool. It is the heart of the factory's pulse.
Every second, dozens of bottles are filled with the results of our precision engineering.
Every container must be as pure as the orange juice that will soon fill it.
We fill each bottle to the exact milliliter, ensuring consistency in every serving.
Hygiene in automation is maintained through invisible forces and relentless precision. A single drop of nitrogen displaces oxygen, preserving the flavor of the orange juice.
Secure sealing is the final physical barrier between our product and the outside world.
At Factory Systems Pro, we don't allow a single loose seal to leave the line.
Hermetic sealing ensures that the orange juice stays as fresh as the day it was squeezed. The bottle's identity is applied with the same speed and accuracy as its contents.
Heat and moisture work together to give the product its final, professional look.
Traceability is key. We can track every bottle of orange juice back to its specific grove. Our automated eyes never blink, ensuring every bottle meets the Factory Systems Pro standard. Robots handle the heavy lifting, allowing for a level of speed no human could match.
Packaging is the armor that protects our orange juice on its journey to the consumer. Engineering and geometry combine to maximize storage efficiency and transport stability.
A secure wrap ensures that the pallet remains a single, solid unit during transit.
While the machines do the work, it is the human intelligence in this room that keeps the factory breathing.
In the modern factory, even the floors are part of the automated network.
In the world of high-speed production, even a micron of deviation can compromise the shelf life.
We use sound waves to see what the human eye cannot, ensuring every bottle of orange juice is a vacuum-sealed fortress. A dry surface is essential for the adhesives used in our premium finishing stages.
Symmetry and presentation are the final hallmarks of our manufacturing excellence.
Permanent coating ensures that the history of this orange juice can never be erased.
The brand comes to life as the final aesthetic layer is applied with mechanical grace.
Efficiency in logistics begins with how we group our products for the retail shelf. This secondary layer of protection ensures the orange juice remains pristine during heavy handling. Rapid cooling stabilizes the packaging, making it ready for immediate palletization. Weight is the final indicator that the fill levels and packaging materials are perfect. Convenience for the consumer is built into the final stages of our automated line.
Information is the bridge between our factory and the customer's table.
Vertical logistics maximize every square inch of our high-tech facility. This high-altitude journey marks the end of the production line and the start of final verification.
Every hour, we pull samples for the most rigorous testing in the industry.
Only after a human scientist gives the word is the batch cleared for the world.
Science confirms what our sensors predicted. A perfect, stable blend.
The finish line is just the beginning of our commitment to quality. Behind every great flavor is the rigorous science of safety and consistency.
We verify the Brix levels to ensure the natural sweetness matches our exact specifications. Balancing acidity is an art form, ensuring a crisp, refreshing finish in every sip.
We wait 48 hours to prove the product is absolutely sterile before it ever leaves the building.
Mapping the aroma ensures that the natural essence of the orange is preserved through the heat of pasteurization.
We guarantee that every glass provides the full health benefits our customers expect.
Our juice is engineered to remain perfectly blended from the factory to the fridge.
Even with all our technology, the final judgment is made by the most sensitive instrument on Earth, the human palate.
A perfect vacuum seal is our promise of freshness and safety. The visual consistency is the first thing a customer sees. It must be perfect every time.
Molecular level testing prevents natural processes from changing the juice's structure.
We look into the future of every batch to ensure quality doesn't just start strong, it stays strong.
Purity is not just a goal. It is a measurable, scientific fact at Factory Systems Pro.
Only after every test is passed does the batch earn the right to move to the loading dock.
Our packaging must be as robust as our quality standards to survive global shipping.
The final human touch ensures that every detail is in its right place.
We keep a piece of every batch, a history of our dedication to the craft. Lab testing is done. The product is perfect. Now, it's time for the world to taste it.
Welcome to the final stage, where the speed of production meets the precision of global logistics.
Our facility utilizes every cubic inch of space, managed by an intelligence that never sleeps. For our international partners, we maintain a deep freeze reserve that locks freshness in time. Even in a world of robots, human dexterity ensures that every custom order is fulfilled with care. We reinforce every shipment to withstand the rigors of land, sea, and air transport. Every pallet is a digital footprint, tracked in real time until it reaches the customer's warehouse.
This bridge represents the final step of the internal factory journey.
Organization is the final filter before our product leaves our control and enters the world.
We maintain a strictly controlled cold chain to ensure the orange juice never breaks its chill.
Volume, speed, and safety, the hallmarks of a world-class dispatch operation.
Integrity is locked in, and the shipment is now officially cleared for departure.
The journey from the Grove is nearly complete as our product heads to homes around the globe.
Every truck that leaves is a testament to the thousands of precise steps taken inside these walls.
Consistency and quality are the pillars of everything we build here.
This is how we bring the freshness of the orchard to the modern world.
From the first harvest to the final pallet, our systems are designed for excellence.
And this is how modern factories produce orange juice from start to finish.